Awarded for tonight with honors. Republic of the Philippines Department of Education, Regional School Division of Cagayan City, West District, Balintawak Elementary School. Certificate of Recognition is proudly present to Elroy C. Mindolo with honors. With high honors. Added with Conduct Award, Perfect Attendance Award. So I pronounce this ribbon with honors. Helpful Kid, Responsible Kid Award, Behave Kid Award, Attentive Kid Award. And also Philippine Award, Friendly Neighbor, Happy Helper Award, Amazing Attitude, Patience Advocate, and Green Awards, Care, Respectful Award, Badminton, Players, Perfect Attendance Award. Congratulations!
Balo.